I'm going to be honest right now. It's not about the child support. I don't even know how we got to this point with the child support. I'm guessing.
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
Okay. All right, Ms. Knight, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, we're here on a petition, a suit affecting the parent-child relationship with an acknowledgement of paternity. This is our second hearing in the case. The last setting, it was reset for Mr. Kelly to hire an attorney. He has not done so, and so we're requesting to proceed today. However, there's no agreements on the case, so I'll start by calling Ms. Thomas. Ma'am, will you state your name?
Daisha Thomas.
And what's the name of the child on this case?
Charity Kelly.
And how old is she?
She's 2.
And when she was born, it's correct that Mr. Kelly signed a document stating he's her biological father, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Has there been any family violence in the last 2 years between you and Mr. Kelly?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any safety concerns if your address or your phone number is printed in this court order?
No, ma'am.
And what kind of health insurance coverage does your daughter have currently?
She is with the states at this moment. Me and Dad came to an agreement that we are going to put her on his insurance today. We're going to find an insurance company for her today so that she can get off the states, and he will just be providing her insurance.
Okay. Do you have any insurance available to you at a reasonable cost, like through an employer?
No, ma'am. I actually just went back to the post office, so I am in process of doing that as of now.
Okay. But as it stands today, she has government coverage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know if Mr. Kelly is employed?
I'm not for sure.
Okay. And the two of you are separated and living apart, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We calculated support based on minimum wage and gave Mr. Kelly credit for 2 other children. And so the state's requesting that medical support. He paid $38 each month. Are you in agreement with that, Ms. Thomas?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And the child support we calculated is $225 each month. Do you agree with that or disagree?
I disagree with that.
Okay. And can you explain to the court why you're not in agreement with the child and the medical support?
For one, she is 2 years old, so she needs more than what you guys are offering me at this moment.
Okay, so you think the child support should be set higher?
I'm going to be honest right now. It's not about the child support. I don't even know how we got to this point with the child support. I'm guessing the the food stamp office of the government did this, so it's not about the child support. So I was coming to see if we can just do joint custody because Dad do have her more than I have her. I work full time. I work Monday through Saturday, so she is with Dad basically the whole week, probably more than a week.
So we'll come back to that, but it sounds like you and Mr. Kelly co-parent and can make decisions for her together?
Yes.
So would you be in agreement to be appointed a joint managing conservator?
Yes.
Okay. And so she's 2 years old, so does she go to daycare?
She will be in daycare, I'm gonna say next month. I'm actually looking for a daycare like in the middle to where if I can't pick her up, Dad can pick her up or her grandparents can pick her up. So I am in progress of that.
And so far, has she been in daycare at all, or has Mr. Kelly been keeping her during the day?
He keeps her during the day she was in daycare, but we wasn't comfortable with the daycare. So Dad did he did want to keep her, so he keeps her while I'm at work.
Okay. And does she spend the nights over at your residence, or does she ever spend nights over with Mr. Kelly?
Back and forth, really. She's mostly there or she's at home with me for a couple of days. So it's like it's in between when he have something to do or they have like something important to do, like they'll bring her home. But anytime she says daddy or papa or May, like I call, they come and pick her up with no hesitation.
Okay. And so for an order, if the court enters a standard possession schedule, which is every other weekend for Mr. Kelly, but you guys can do whatever you want as long as you both agree. Would you be okay with that?
I mean, if we can do every other weekend, that would be fine with me. But as far as the money, like, I'm not in it for the money.
Okay. And are you
Because
requesting back child support today?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Is there anything else you want the court to know about your case?
No, ma'am.
I'll pass the witness. Excuse me. The state calls the father, Mr. Kelly. Sir, will you state your name?
Chad Kelly.
And Mr. Kelly, when your child was born, you signed a document stating you're the biological father, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Has there been any family violence in the last 2 years between you and Ms. Thomas?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any safety concerns with your address or your phone number being printed in the court order?
No, ma'am.
Okay. It sounds like you and Ms. Thomas can co-parent. That's what you've been doing. Would that be correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Would you be in agreement to be a joint managing conservator so you can continue to make decisions for your daughter together?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
Been a while.
What's the last kind of job that you did?
I run a data cable through warehouses.
And when did that job end?
When I got incarcerated in '08.
Okay. And so currently, how are you paying your bills if you're unemployed?
I'm doing little side jobs for my cousin. He on his own trucking company, so I'm a driver's helper with him.
Okay. And so how much does he pay you?
It just depends on, like, if I work that week or whatever, just 200, maybe a day or a week.
Okay. And do you live in Dallas County?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you interested in joining the Choices program that can help you look for employment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And is it correct that you have 2 other children besides the one on this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We calculated, well, let me ask you about health insurance. Do you have private health insurance available to you at a reasonable cost right now? Sorry, can you repeat your answer, Mr. Kelly?
I said yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what coverage is that?
It's Blue Cross Blue Shield.
And have you enrolled her in this coverage?
No, man, I just need a social security number. This is me and the mother been talking already.
And is this through the marketplace?
Yes, ma'am.
And how much would it cost you per month for covering her?
I wouldn't know yet, cause me and the mother ain't talked. So I just need to just ask them. It won't be no problem.
Okay. And so the state's requesting, since she has Medicaid right now, to continue that and for you to pay medical support of $38 each month. Do you agree or disagree with that?
I'm fine with it.
Okay. And the child support, we calculated at $225 each month. Are you in agreement or disagreement?
I'm in disagreement because I pay $142 for my other child.
Okay. And during the week, how many nights per week would you say your daughter is with you?
6, maybe 5.
And so she's not in daycare right now. So during a normal week, are you picking her up from Miss Thomas's residence? And just kind of explain what a normal week with her looks like.
Normal week, we picked up Monday. She left Friday, came back Sunday. She left yesterday. And I ain't talked to the mother just today, asking when she coming back. So whatever her days out, she'll be back on. When she works, she'll be back over here.
Okay, and you and Miss Thomas live close together?
She stay downtown, I stay in Lancaster, so about a 10-15 minute drive.
Okay, and have you been doing this sort of schedule with her since your daughter was born?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that we're not requesting any back child support today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else you want the court to know about your case?
I'm just wondering why I'm been on child support when I have my daughter.
Okay, and you think the child support should be set at 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll pass the witness.
Well, we're here because y'all are giving government assistance for this child. That's why we're here. Pretty simple. I don't know why y'all are confused about that. If you get government assistance, they're going to send your case to the child support office to do child support services. That's how we got here.
Yes,
You're
sir.
providing health insurance. The state is. They want you to find insurance on your own if you can, or they want you to help them pay back some of the costs.
And that's why
So
we
that's why we're here. I didn't ask for anybody to talk. Let me go ahead and make a ruling. I'm making a finding. There's been no family violence. We're doing government medical for insurance until you find your own insurance. Uh, and so you'll have to pay medical support of $38 a month. And that'll be, and when you do finally get insurance, then you can drop the Medicaid and you can inform each other and the state of of where you have the insurance, and then they can stop charging you the $38. But until you do that, they're going to keep charging you the $38. Um, I'm not going to set child support since y'all are splitting the child and there's no back child support. We're doing joint managed conservatorship with standard visitation, court costs as billed, and choices ordered. All right, so the Attorney General's office is going to put that all in writing into a court order for me to sign. That'll be the order of the court that you must follow, even if you don't agree. And then, Mr. Kelly, you requested the services of choices to help you look for work. So I need you to wait behind here just for a minute or two. We're going to connect you with the choice representative so they can help you look for work. And after you're done with that, you can leave for the day. Ms. Thomas, you
Yes,
can
sir.
go ahead now. Thank you.
We're here now.